Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancies in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is from NTPC Limited. Name of the post is Executive Trainee Finance. Qualification asked is either a CA or a CMA. Upper age limit is 29 years. There are 25 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, is a permanent vacancy, no prior experience asked, and you will be in the pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000. Mode of application is online and last date is 27th January 2026. Moving on. Friends, before we move on to the next vacancy, I would like to inform at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses covering the entire technical syllabus, and we keep on adding new courses for your preparation as you can see in your screen. So visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo of your course and start your preparation. I wish you all the best for your exam. Moving on. From next vacancy is from Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology. Name of post is Superintendent Grade 1 Accounts. Qualification asked is either a CA Inter, CMA Inter or Master's degree in Commerce or Finance Accounts with minimum 55% marks. Age limit is 35 years. There are 2 vacancies. Place of posting is in UP. Friends, is a contractual job. You need to have 3 years of experience. Remuneration is 50,000 to 60,000 per month. Mode of application is online and last date is 31st January 2026. Moving on. The next vacancy is from India Exim Bank. Name of post is Management Trainee Banking Operation. Here qualification asked is minimum 60% marks in graduation and postgraduate that should be either MBA, PGDBA or PGDBM or MMS in Finance, International Business, Foreign Trade with 60% marks or a CA. Friends, here the requirement of CA is along with graduation degree. Age limit is 28 years. There are 40 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, the permanent vacancy, no prior experience asked. Remuneration is that you will be in the pay scale of 48,480 to 85,920. Mode of application is online and last date is 1st Feb 2026. Moving on. The next vacancy is from NABARD. Name of post is Development Assistant. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 50% marks. Age limit is 35 years. There are 159 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, is a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Remuneration is 46,500 per month. Mode of application is online and last date is 3rd Feb 2026. Moving on. The next vacancy is from All India Institute of Ayurveda. Name of post is Assistant. Qualification asked is graduation. Here upper age limit is 30 years. There are 2 vacancy. Place of posting is in Goa. Friends, out of these 2 vacancy, one is permanent and one is on deputation. No prior experience asked. Remuneration is 7.3 lakh per annum. Mode of application is offline and last date is 3rd March 2026. Moving on. Next vacancy is again from All India Institute of Ayurveda. Name of post is Accountant. Qualification asked is either a BCom or a BBA. Age limit is 30 years. There are 2 vacancy. Place of posting is in Goa. Friends, is a permanent vacancy into 2 years of experience. Remuneration is 7.3 lakh per annum. Mode of application is offline and last date is 3rd March 2026. Moving on. The next vacancy is from Central University of Rajasthan. Name of post is Upper Divisional Clerk. Qualification asked is bachelor's degree with at least 50% marks or pass in master's degree. Age limit is 32 years. There is 1 vacancy. Place of posting is in Rajasthan. Friends, the permanent vacancy into 2 years of experience. Remuneration is 5.5 lakh per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is 27th January 2026. Moving on. The next vacancy is from Bank of Maharashtra. Name of post is Apprentice. Qualification asked is graduation along with proficient in the local language of the state for which you are applying for. Age limit is 28 years. There are 600 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, is the apprenticeship based vacancy. No prior experience asked. Remuneration will be 12,300 per month. Mode of application is online and last date is 25th January 2026. So that's all for this week, friend. Try to cover all the important vacancies for this week. I'll see you all in the next week. Till then, thank you so much for watching this video.